Hi and welcome guys, today we will export the Blender Lowpoly character to Unreal Engine 4. There are some important things we have to consider, which I will point out in this video. Here's the character in Blender with the idle animation that we created. The next thing that I will do is a simple UV unwrap. In edit mode, select all the vertices by pressing the A key and then press U and reset. I've recorded some videos about this texturing method for low-poly models and the links can be found in the description below. Basically it's just unwrapping with reset so that all the UV islands have the same size, and then scale these islands down in the UV image editor and move them to particular islands, in this case to a light gray. Okay, then I switch back to object mode and select the character and the armature. You can do this with a simple trick. Press the Ctrl key and click the icon here in the hierarchy to select the object and all the child objects. After that I export the objects as FBX, and these settings here are important. Export the selected objects only and choose Mesh and Armature. We still have the mirror modifier added, so be sure to set the apply modifiers, and the smoothing has to be set to face. For the armature you don't have to check anything, and for the animation I keep every option checked. Okay, now I export directly to the project directory of my Unreal Engine 4 project, which is why the FBX import dialog appears immediately. Here I press Reset to default. Then I remove this skeleton if the importer assigned one, and the rest of the options you can keep as they are, and be sure to have import animations checked. Alright, then press import and what you get is a skeleton, a physics asset, the idle animation, and the skeletal mesh. And now you can go ahead and drag the idle animation into the scene and then start the game, and this animation will be played by default. Okay, looks nice and it was pretty easy. The next steps will be to add new animations and assets like weapons or something similar and use the character either as player or enemy. We'll see. Thanks a lot for watching guys, I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, the next one is already in progress. Thank you also for your support on my Patreon. If you support me there, that really helps a lot. See you soon on JNM.